Hey everyone, today we're creating a SharePoint group. I'll be working in SharePoint Online in a web browser. First, click on the settings gear icon in the upper right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Site Permissions. You'll see a Site Permissions option right there in the menu. Once the Permissions pane opens, click Advanced Permission Settings at the bottom. This will take you to a classic-looking permissions page with a ribbon interface at the top. Now, in that ribbon section, click the Create Group button. You'll find it in the Permissions tab. Once you click it, the Create Group page will open. At the top of this page, you'll see two text fields. In the Name field, type the name for your new group, then in the About Me field, add a description of what the group is for. This is especially useful if you have multiple site owners. It helps people understand who should be added to the group. Next, move down to the Owner box. Here, you need to specify a single owner for this group, the person who will be responsible for managing it. You can type or select their name from the list. Below that, you'll see the Group Settings section. This is where you specify who can view and edit the membership of your group. Choose the option that makes sense for your team, whether only group members can see and modify it or everyone can. Now, if you want people to be able to request to join or leave the group, configure the membership request section below that. You can specify an email address where these requests should be sent. This step is optional, but it's useful for managing access requests later. Further down, you'll find the Give Group Permissions to this site section. Here, choose a permission level for your group from the checkboxes. You'll see built-in levels like full control, contribute, read, and limited access. Pick whichever fits the group's role. This step is also optional. You can assign permissions later if you prefer. Finally, scroll to the bottom and click the Create button. Your new SharePoint group will be created, and you'll automatically be taken to the People and Groups page. Once your group is created, you can add users to it anytime. Just click on the group name, then click the arrow next to New, and choose Add Users to this group. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite and click Share. You can also modify group settings later by clicking the group name, then going to Settings and choosing Group Settings. And that's how you create a SharePoint group in SharePoint Online.